checked into the hotel. I haven't really vlogged much. We checked in at about 11:30, but the room isn't going to be ready till 3 o'clock. So we've been just floating around the shops, and we're just coming up to Buckingham Palace now. It's horrible out, but we're making the most of it. The room is like the tiniest thing I've ever seen. So we literally open the door. That's the toilet. The sidey door. And then you literally turn around. And that's the bed.
Box room.
We're just chilling out in the room. Adam's gone down to see if we can get the tickets for the match. But yeah, we're just knackered, so we're just having a little rest, and we want to get showered and dressed in a while and head out to the match.
This is the pitch where we once watched the king. These are the stairs we walked up hand in hand, and these are the lights that light up the dark. We are a family.
No, Bobby.
We are Liverpool. This means more.
Go on, Jürgen. You're dead right. I'm emotional now.
We bought this earlier on, but we never got to eat it because the room wasn't ready. Off to the match.
Doors closing.
Excited?
Yeah.
Hotel. The flight is until 9:30 to go home tonight, so we're just gonna float around. We found out that there was Shake Shack in London. That's where we are now. It's 12 o'clock in the morning, but we don't care. Oh, and we got these one-day travel tickets. They were about £13 and you can use them on the train, the bus and the underground, and it even brought us to the airport. So yeah, definitely recommend that. The London Eye, but we didn't get on because it's real cloudy and we probably wouldn't be able to see it, and it was £45, so we didn't think it was worth it. But we're just coming up to Tower Bridge now.
An hour away. Fuck off.
Nice.
Empty.
We're gonna go into the National History Museum now. It actually looks a bit like Hogwarts, doesn't it, Adam?
Spare mile. No, I don't know. So.
I think it's going backward. I think it's going back.
That's weird. Look at all these chickens.
Just trying to find some nice chicken wings.
It's gonna be free.
This whole vlog is just us eating, but that's what we do, we're on holidays. Exactly what we wanted, isn't it?
It's very, very
Nice. Right, we're just in the airport, checked in, and our flight is delayed, but I'm just going to end the vlog here, so thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.